Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best remote control tanks 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best remote control tanks 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Supdex 118 RC Tank M1A2 Remote Control Battle Beast. Experience the thrill of battlefield action with the Supdex 118 RC M1A2 tank, a powerful 2.4 GHz remote control military toy built for adults and enthusiasts. This 15-channel battle tank delivers immersive realism with authentic smoke effects, LED lights, and realistic engine sounds, all enhanced by an adjustable volume switch for personalized play. Built to replicate the M1A2 Abrams in stunning detail, it features rotating turret movement, cannon recoil, and multi-directional control, giving you full command over intense RC warfare. Whether you're staging solo missions or engaging in head-to-head battles, the responsive 2.4 GHz system ensures interference-free control even with multiple tanks in action. Designed with durable materials and precision craftsmanship, this RC tank is more than a toy, it's a collectible-grade model made for serious fun. From military fans to remote control hobbyists, the Supdex RC tank delivers action, realism, and excitement in every charge. Get ready to command your battlefield, right from your backyard, perfect for gifts, displays, or dynamic play. Number 2. M41A3 American Army Battle Tank Remote Control for Kids. Unleash thrilling battlefield adventures with the M41A3 American Army Battle Tank, the ultimate remote-controlled military vehicle for kids. Modeled after the legendary U.S. Army tank, this programmable RC toy brings action-packed fun to life with realistic engine sounds, flashing lights, and authentic detailing. Equipped with 360-degree rotating turret, working cannon, and multi-directional driving, this off-road vehicle is ready to conquer any terrain, from carpets to gravel paths. The tank's all-terrain rubber tracks ensure smooth maneuvering on indoor and outdoor surfaces, making it perfect for imaginative play anywhere. With easy-to-use remote control and programmable movement sequences, kids can command their own missions, practice coordination, and explore strategic thinking. The tank also features rechargeable battery power, ensuring hours of non-stop excitement. Whether for solo adventures or mock battles with friends, the M41A3 tank delivers powerful performance and non-stop action. It's a fantastic gift for young military enthusiasts and future commanders. Bring the battlefield to your backyard with the M41A3, where fun meets firepower. Number 3. Experience epic battlefield action with the DAHONPA T80 BVM main battle tank building block set. This detailed 790-piece model replicates the powerful T80 BVM, a modern armored beast inspired by historical military engineering. Designed for both kids and adults, this set features realistic details like a rotating turret, adjustable cannon, and tank tracks for immersive play or display. Part of the WW2 Military Historical Collection, it includes 2 detailed soldier figures to bring your battle scenes to life. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a military model collector, or just love challenging builds, this set offers hours of engaging fun. Made from high-quality, durable materials, these building blocks are compatible with major brands and make a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Build, play, and display with pride, the DAHONPA T80 BVM isn't just a toy, it's a tribute to tactical engineering and creativity. Let the battle begin, brick by brick. Number 4. Experience the thrill of battle with the Supdex 1/16 RC Tank, a premium Heng long metal Tiger Eye Army toy designed for realistic action. This remote control tank combines historic accuracy with powerful performance, featuring upgraded metal tracks, idler wheels, and a durable drivetrain for smooth maneuverability on any terrain. Equipped with realistic smoke effects, authentic engine sounds, and working LED lights, this RC tank delivers an immersive battlefield experience. The main cannon actually shoots 6mm BBs, adding extra excitement to your backyard skirmishes. Its 2.4 GHz remote ensures responsive control and precision handling. Crafted with attention to detail, the Supdex Tiger Eye is perfect for collectors, hobbyists, and RC combat enthusiasts. Whether you're staging historical reenactments or engaging in tank battles, this model offers hours of dynamic, realistic fun. Get ready to command the battlefield with this fully functional, ready-to-run RC tank that brings World War II history to life. Number 5. Wheelfun Heng 1/16 Scale 7.0 Upgraded Metal Version German Leopard 2is6 RC Tank, RTR Model 3889. Experience the thrill of realistic armored warfare with the Wheelfun Heng 1/16 Scale 7.0 Upgraded Metal Version German Leopard 2is6 RC Tank. This RTR, ready-to-run, beast combines scale accuracy with high-performance features, making it perfect for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Built with upgraded metal parts, including tracks and gearbox, the tank offers superior durability and smooth maneuverability across various terrains. The tank features a 340 degrees rotating turret and a barrel that can be raised or lowered for precise aiming. With realistic sound effects, LED lights, and a smoking exhaust system, it brings battlefield action to life. Engage in infrared combat with other tanks in battle mode for immersive multiplayer fun. Equipped with Heng 7.0 electronics, this version ensures better control, signal stability, and enhanced realism. Whether you're navigating your backyard or staging tactical missions indoors, the Leopard 2is6 delivers powerful performance with authentic military detailing. Whether you're a seasoned RC enthusiast or just starting out, this fully assembled RTR model offers everything you need to start driving right out of the box. Dominate the field with precision and power, unleash the Leopard 2is6.